Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can turn on or off notifications in your device Vivo Y35. So if you want to turn on the notifications or turn them off, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we move on to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can turn on or off notifications.